Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
As part of Swachh Bharat, one of open defecation free and important objective is to have toilet access to everyone, and public toilets is an extremely essential part of this endeavor. So with consonance with the CM, we thought up of this idea of having a public toilet for the highways in Goa, because this is the main highway here that passes through Nuvem, and it is a very busy highway. People are coming in for holidays, for everything past here, and there is no access to a public toilet for travelers. Especially we observed for women, because for women it is very difficult. Like for men they can go anywhere in a way, though it is not correct, but for women it is particularly hard. And for that reason we created this concept for a public toilet for men and women separate. And for the women's toilet we've also installed a sanitary napkin incinerator, because this is also an extremely essential service, because if such a service is not provided, then sanitary napkins will just get thrown out, which is really bad for the environment. So we wanted to create a complete facility, and along with that we wanted to create some kind of a means of earning for the local people. So along with the toilet we have a small kiosk which will support the local one family, one local person, to put up a small shop where they can sell whatever is required for people for travelers. So that was the idea, and with the help of with this concept and with the help of Baba Shan sir, MLA, we were able to, and the village panchayat of Nuvem, we were able to bring about this concept, which we are very happy to present to Goa and the state.
It is right on the Margaon to Panjim Nuvem bypass, and the structure is completely RCC precast structure, and we've installed 2 biodigester tanks for it, which works in itself. We do not need any other mechanism for the biodigester to work. We've also installed a sanitary incinerator, so that the pad, it doesn't go in the dump. We can incinerate it right at the start point. The bacteria that we've put inside the tank is the anaerobic inoculum bacteria, and it works on itself. It just whenever we feed waste to the bacteria, it gives us 2 outcomes. One is methane gas and one is water, clear water. So it just works on itself.